Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. I have a special guest with me today, my sister Tina. Hello. She hasn't done a pour before, so this is going to be her first time painting. So I told her she can come and paint with me. We're going to do flip cups. The colors that I am doing is, of course, 24 karat gold. I'm going to use SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue, SoHo's Rose Madder, and then SoHo's, Prussian Blue. And then my sister is going to use Decoart's Metallic 24 karat gold. Hold it up right here so they can see it. Okay. Then she's going to use Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue Metallic. And then this is Arteza's Pearl Hot Pink. And then she's going to also use Artist Lofts Acrylic Flow Black. So we're going to do layers in the cup. You can talk too now, okay?
Oh, okay.
I have to put a paper towel down. You can do one too if you want to. It doesn't really matter if you get paint on like this. But, so I put this cup here.
Oh.
Yeah, don't do that. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Artist Lofts Flow Acrylic White. So first you're going to take a little bit of your, whatever color you want to start with first. I'm going to put a little bit of white at the bottom of my, tip your cup because we want to layer it. So you can put in a little bit of black. Don't be scared. There, that's good. Now when you do your next color, just hold it to the side like this and like literally put your cup here so it like just falls down the side.
Okay.
And then we'll just keep it, just do a little bit and then put your next color, because you want to do like at least 2 to 3 layers of colors, and you can alternate them however you want to. I wouldn't put a ton of black in, because ton will take over your colors and you won't see them as much. So if you put a little bit of black in, I would put in a little bit, not as, unless you want it to be really super dark, which I've learned the hard way that it really goes really dark and then you can barely see your colors.
So should I just do it one time?
No, you can do a little bit more, but just do a little. Like that. Then it'll just give you that layer without overtaking your paint, because it will tend to do that. And then I put a little line on her cup so she doesn't go any higher than, we need about, what did I say, 5 or 6 ounces of paint for our, these are 11 by 16 inch Artist Loft canvas. She's really concentrating, y'all. First time she ever been this quiet. getting paint in there, or are you taking?
No, I'm big paint.
Layer it up. And like, it doesn't matter, like if you put it in not the same layer at a time, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It really doesn't make any difference, but. All right, my cup is full enough.
I'm not. Oops.
Don't be nervous. Pour that paint in. Sorry, I just did a painting, so I have a little mess here on my canvas, but that's okay, it'll all get covered up. It probably doesn't really matter, but now there's a trick to this, and I'm not good at it, so I'm just letting you know this right now. But you're supposed to hold your cup at the bottom. Some people cheat. Some people like do it this way and then flip it over, because you have to be really careful. Now watch when I do it, because you don't want to throw your paint all over the place.
Right.
So you can either do it that way, or you can tip it that way. You're gonna get the same effect. Just hold it and then go upside down, and then just there you go. So we do that, and then just let it sit here. You can either like move it up a little bit, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. Watch. You don't have to do this little thing I did here, but I think it's kind of cool when you do it.
So
just pull it one way. You can. Oh, it's okay. We'll just bring it down real quick. Let's mess up these little drips, because we don't want to have drips in there. You know what I mean? Okay. Then you'll have a little swirly. All right, can you hand me a paper towel? Thank you, Liam. All right, so, ooh, look at all that. Now we gotta take our torch. We gotta get the air bubbles out. You don't want to get too close, because you don't want to scorch your paint.
Mm-hmm.
You just want to get it enough to. That's really pretty. Let me pull this down. Just push in the back. See that air bubble there?
Where?
Right, there's one.
Oh.
There's one there too. There you go.
Oh.
See, don't get it
Now
too
I
close so
see
you
it.
don't scorch it. Okay,
Okay.
good enough. Now, sorry about the fireworks, y'all. Neighbors are going crazy. So now we're just going to take it, and you want to slowly tilt it. Don't try to go off yet, so don't go that way. Come down this way some, because you kind of want to work your paint around. You don't want to go off too early. So you're going to have plenty of paint, because I obviously have too much, and I went to where our lines were supposed to be. You're okay. Don't worry about it if you do go off a little bit, because eventually you're going to go off. So kind of once you kind of get it evenly all over the place, then you can go ahead and take it off. And then once you get it to go off, then stop real quick and then bring it back and go to another corner. And then when you get it there, you're gonna bring it back. And I have a goob. Do you see let's see if I can get it. Oh. I have to go this way a little bit with that, because I don't want to take that gold off. Beautiful. I need another paper towel. We go through a lot of paper towels. I need to buy stock in Bounty paper towels. I still have. I wish I had my tweezers over here. I kind of have a goob. Can't get it. So I would normally leave this.
Mm-hmm.
But because I have a goob and I can't get it, I'm going to do some little swirly things, which you can totally do too as well.
I like mine.
Okay, you don't have
I like it.
You don't have to do anything. I really like fact, this one I don't really want to do the swirlies, but because I had that goob and then I messed it up.
Oh.
Because I don't have my tweezers. If you have a tweezer, you can grab it and pull it straight up and then it doesn't leave a line.
Oh, gotcha.
So, but because I had a goob, I think I want to dip it. Dippity dippity. Huh?
Oh, I was just looking. That's pretty.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can do this over here. Let's see. Yeah, that's better.
Cool.
You can just kind of do whatever, like, if you don't want to do anything, you can leave it alone. Do you see any air bubbles? If you kind of look to the side a little bit, you'll be able to see whether you have air bubbles or not. Because you don't want to leave air bubbles in there because when they no, it won't crack, but when it pops, your white canvas will show from underneath. So you always want to make sure you get your air bubbles.
You might want to check it for me.
Did you see any?
I don't think so.
We may have gotten them one. Oh, we do need to do one thing here though. Here, take this and just scoop up a little bit of this and put it on your corner here. Because you don't want to have a white canvas show. This one needs it too, so you might check your corners there. I really like this. I don't know. It's really pretty. I kind of didn't really want to do the swirlies, but like I said, I had a goop and it got messed up. So I had to do something to try to hide that. Which I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Then you can always, once you're done, you can always take your torch and then double, this will double check if you have air bubbles. That's your arm.
There's going to be some cool magnets.
Got me too. You got some cool pearl cells. I like the colors. It's very pretty. Alright, so let me go bring the camera down so we can get a close-up. Sorry, my sister didn't talk too much. She's shy. Maybe next time she'll talk more. Alright, I'm gonna try to bring you around here so I don't make you too dizzy. Sorry. Alright, we'll take a close look at hers. So pretty. I think the only metallic you had was that. But look at all that shimmer.
Ooh, pretty.
That cobalt blue, that's a metallic.
I think the pink was too, right?
Oh yes, the pink was pearl. Pearlescent. Yes, it is. But look at all that shimmer. Ooh, I love it.
I love it.
It turned out really pretty. Yeah, it's really awesome. Did a good job.
Thank you.
And then my purple and gold.
Oh, it always looks pretty. Purple and gold.
And then I have the blue and the rose madder in here, but you can't see a whole lot of the rose madder. A little bit in that spot here.
Here.
Oh yeah, here too in the corner, but it's so pretty.
Very pretty.
Like I said, I really didn't want to do the little swirlies this time, but I had a goob and I don't know where my tweezers are right now, so I had to use a palette knife and I couldn't get it. But I don't know, it's alright. It's not my favorite, but it's alright. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video and my sister's first painting. And hopefully everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. Hopefully you will like and subscribe. I appreciate all my subscribers and everybody who's watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.